Sound advice for anyone seeking success through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the art of managing the complex web that links advertisers, marketers, and vendors together online. A website owner who invests time in learning the ins and outs of the process can realize surprising profits from an intelligently managed affiliate marketing program. Below are some tips that may help any webmaster improve his or her performance. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. If you want to make some decent money, look for a program that actually helps you make sales. Join a program that offers resources to help you present the product and convince your customers. A good affiliate program should also offer a kind of crash course about effective sales techniques. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to choose quality products to advertise. Remember, all of the recommendations that you make reflect directly back on you. Therefore, if you advertise an affordable and quality product, your customers or subscribers will trust your advice, thereby boosting your credibility. While the array of options and programs available for affiliate marketing can seem bewildering, the best strategy for any website owner is one that he or she understands thoroughly. Tips like the ones shared here can help increase a webmaster's overall affiliate marketing savvy and guide him or her through planning the most effective overall strategy. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.